Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download software for your Logitech G715 keyboard on Mac. So first you should navigate to the logitechg.com website and now go to software, then go to G HUB. I'm also gonna provide the link in the description down below, but you can also just navigate to it yourself and find download G HUB macOS. Click on that, then click on save. Now you'll have it in downloads and you'll also have it here, so I'm gonna click on it here. Then it'll unpack it automatically, then it'll show here as you can see. Now I just need to double click on it to open it, then click on open. Now click on install and wait a moment until it downloads Logitech G HUB. And now click on install and launch. You may need to enter your account password. Then just click on OK. Then click on Open System Settings and click on Logitech G HUB to enable it. Then you may need to provide your Touch ID or password and click on Quit and reopen. Then also you're asked if you want to enable the accessibility features, so click on Open System Settings and enable the Logitech G HUB agent. And now the Logitech G HUB will quit and relaunch. And in a moment we're also gonna solve an issue with connecting on Mac. So I'm just gonna go to the launchpad and try launching G HUB myself. Now let's see. I'm already connected to the keyboard via Bluetooth, but it shows as inactive, so now I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First go to the system settings, then go to privacy and security, and first go to accessibility. And if you cannot see Logitech G HUB, not the agent but Logitech G HUB itself, click on plus, then select it from this list, open, and now go back, make sure that it's checked here, then go to input monitoring, and also if you cannot see Logitech G HUB here, add it yourself the same way. Now I'm gonna click on quit and reopen, and also I'm gonna go to screen and system audio recording and make sure that Logitech G HUB is enabled here. If it is, now it'll launch the app after quitting and relaunching, and you should see that it's setting up the keyboard, and now it's connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.